Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into a detailed and engaging review of the 2026 Suzuki GS 150, a motorcycle that continues Suzuki's tradition of reliability, fuel efficiency, and everyday practicality. The GS 150 has always been known as a dependable commuter with a solid build and smooth performance, and for 2026, Suzuki refines the formula with updated styling, improved comfort, and modern features designed for daily riders and long-term ownership. Let's take a closer look at what the new GS 150 brings to the table. Body panel. The body panels of the 2026 Suzuki GS 150 are designed with simplicity and durability in mind. The clean lines and subtle contours give the bike a timeless commuter look while improving aerodynamics. The panels protect internal components from dust and debris, ensuring long-term reliability in daily riding conditions. Fuel tank design. The fuel tank features a muscular yet practical shape, offering a comfortable grip for the rider's knees. Its design helps improve riding stability and control, especially during longer commutes. The paint quality is durable and resistant to fading, maintaining a fresh appearance over time. Headlight. The front headlight provides a bright and focused beam for clear nighttime visibility. Designed for efficiency and reliability, it ensures confident riding on poorly lit roads while consuming minimal power. Front cowl. The front cowl adds a subtle aerodynamic advantage while protecting the headlight assembly. It also enhances the bike's visual presence without compromising its classic commuter identity. Taillight. The rear taillight delivers strong illumination, ensuring visibility for vehicles behind. Its quick response during braking improves safety in traffic-heavy conditions. Indicators. Clear and well-positioned indicators ensure other road users can easily see your intentions. They are built for durability and consistent performance in daily use. Seat design. The seat on the GS 150 is long, wide, and well-cushioned, offering excellent comfort for both rider and passenger. The foam density is tuned to reduce fatigue during extended rides. Riding ergonomics. The upright riding position keeps the rider relaxed and alert. The handlebar height and foot peg placement are optimized to reduce strain on the back and wrists, making the bike ideal for daily commuting. Handlebar layout. The handlebars provide easy reach to all controls, allowing smooth maneuvering in city traffic. Switchgear is intuitive and designed for quick access without distraction. Instrument cluster. The analog instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, displaying essential information such as speed, fuel level, and odometer readings. Its simplicity ensures reliability and low maintenance. Passenger comfort. A supportive rear seat and sturdy grab rail ensure passenger comfort and safety. This makes the GS 150 a practical option for family use and daily travel. Engine configuration. The 2026 Suzuki GS 150 is powered by a refined single-cylinder engine engineered for smooth and consistent performance. It is designed to deliver dependable power while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Fuel delivery system. The advanced fuel delivery system ensures precise fuel flow, resulting in smooth throttle response and improved mileage. This setup also contributes to reduced emissions and cleaner operation. Transmission. The smooth shifting manual transmission allows precise gear changes, making city riding effortless and highway cruising relaxed. Gear ratios are tuned for balanced performance and fuel economy. Power output. The engine delivers steady power that is well suited for urban commuting and light highway use. Acceleration is predictable, making the bike easy to ride for both new and experienced riders. Cooling system. An efficient air-cooled system keeps the engine temperature stable, reducing complexity in maintenance while ensuring durability in varying weather conditions. Chassis frame. The strong and lightweight frame provides stability and confidence on the road. It supports comfortable handling and absorbs road imperfections effectively. Suspension setup. The front telescopic forks and rear shock absorbers are tuned for comfort. They handle bumps and uneven surfaces smoothly, offering a balanced ride quality. Braking system. The braking setup includes a front disc brake and rear drum brake, delivering reliable stopping power. Brake feedback is smooth and progressive, enhancing rider confidence. Tire grip. The tires are designed for durability and good road grip, ensuring stability during cornering and braking in both dry and wet conditions. Lighting system. The lighting system is engineered for efficiency and reliability. It ensures consistent illumination while minimizing battery load. Electrical reliability. The electrical system is built for long-term use, supporting essential functions without frequent maintenance or failures. Battery performance. A durable battery ensures reliable starts and consistent performance of electrical components, even in frequent stop-and-go traffic. Rear carrier mount. The GS150 includes provisions for mounting a rear carrier, making it easier to carry luggage or daily essentials. Side stand and center stand. Both stands add convenience for parking and maintenance, especially in tight urban spaces. Utility hooks. Integrated hooks provide additional carrying options for small bags, enhancing everyday practicality. Pricing. The 2026 Suzuki GS 150 is expected to remain competitively priced, making it an excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. Its low running costs and strong resale value add to its appeal. Release date. The 2026 Suzuki GS 150 is expected to reach dealerships by early to mid-2026, depending on regional markets and availability. 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R. Availability. For high-performance enthusiasts, the 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R is expected to arrive in authorized dealerships between March and June 2026, subject to regional distribution schedules. Ending note. The 2026 Suzuki GS 150 continues to be a smart choice for riders who value reliability, comfort, and efficiency. With its refined engine, practical features, and dependable build quality, it remains a strong contender in the commuter motorcycle segment. Whether you're riding daily to work or looking for a trustworthy long-term companion, the GS 150 delivers where it matters most. If you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.